All right, this thing on. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tesla camp mode. And today is day number 001. We are test camping in the Tesla. And today is May 23rd, Thursday, and currently about 11 o'clock at night. We are testing out the car camp mode. So far, so good. Put up the window covers. This is about take number 15 because we didn't have the correct lighting and all that. It is kind of hard to be a content creator, man, not gonna lie. But anyways, this is the setup that I have here. And one of the hard things about this is just the headspace a little bit sometimes here and there, hit the head. I just can't imagine doing this like in a Model 3, that would suck. So I have my pillow right here. I do have my blanket. I chose like a very large, big blanket this car camp, which is actually doing pretty well because it's super cozy in here. And it's very, very soft. I used to camp with a very thin blanket, so I'm gonna test this out and see how it works. A lot of difficult things tonight that happened that are out of my control. But one of the things is you can always control your response to things, right? If things go wrong, the attitude that you have to have is like, hey, what can I do better next time? So how can I get better in a sense like, hey, this thing went wrong. Okay, what can we do to fix it? And then what can we do next time to make sure it's faster and more efficient, right? Those are the things that thrill the hell out of me, which is why I really like car camping, is because like it gives me a thrill and a kick. Like, hey, what can I get better at? You know, doing this so long amount of times to like, hey, I could do this in this amount of time now. Be more efficient, right? Those are the things that thrill me, right? One of the things is getting 1% better. So I read this book called Atomic Habits, and it talked about 1 degree shift, right? So if you're getting on an airplane from California to New York, and you're off by 1 degree, the pilot just a little bit off by 1 degree, you're gonna end up in a totally different place if you went from California to New York and you were 1 degree off. You end up in Canada, bro. You're going off 1 degree every single mile. You don't notice it, but yet you're heading in the wrong direction, right? So those are the things that kind of shift your mind with change, right? So when things go wrong, how can you make sure that you're headed back in the right direction to make sure you're on course, you're on track, right? There's also this analogy of, man, I have so many analogies for y'all, man. There's this analogy that if a boat, it goes really slow in the beginning, and the boat goes really slow because it takes a lot of initial startup, right? It needs time to move. But once it gets moving, man, that big old thing is like on autopilot. It just goes, right? It doesn't really think, right? So that's the thing with life, right? It's like things in the beginning are always hard. Things and change are hard in the beginning, but everything new is always hard at first. But all things are difficult at first, right? Your first workout, your first video, your first time that you walk when you're a kid, right? When you first ride a bike, things are always hard at first. You got to make sure that you are looking at your mistakes and you're making sure you don't make them again, because mistakes are going to happen, but the key is that we learn from them. Anyways, gonna go hit the hay. Gonna go sleep. It's around 11:20 or 11:30 at night. But yeah, it's been a journey vlogging this. It's been a lot of takes here and there, but you know what? We're gonna get 1% better every single day. And we're gonna take you guys along the journey too. Good night. This thing on? All right. Good morning, guys. Currently, just woke up. It is 8:22 a.m. on a Friday, May 24th, and we slept in our car for the first night for test trial number 001, and it was good. It was great. A few cars here and there that were loud, but luckily we had these things. They are squishy earplugs, our eye mask to make sure that we don't get any light from the sunroof. I know I should probably get a cover for this, but that's another hassle to be dealing with, so this is the next best alternative. And it's a eye mask. It's very squishy memory foam, So when you put it on, it's very comfortable. And it's by Zoo. I'll link it in the description. It's from Amazon. It's really cool. It's adjustable, but the only thing is it falls off every now and then. Like in the middle of the night, it fell off, and I was trying to look for it. But other than that, it was okay. So these are like the 2 essential things. Actually, the 3rd essential thing that you need would be melatonin to help you sleep a little faster. But I didn't have melatonin tonight, and that was an issue. The thick blanket was a little too thick for my liking. Since the temperature inside regulates itself to 70 degrees the whole night, I don't need a really thick blanket. It just takes way too much space. So we're going to get rid of the thick blanket because it's May, near June. So today we have a call from LinkedIn at 11 a.m. So we got to get our workout in from 9 to 10:30. Hopefully shower in 15 minutes. I don't know. Yeah, and then hop in that call at 11, but then I have work at 11:45. So tight squeeze on the schedule, but there's so many people that want an interview for me and also want to take up my time, and it's like I keep saying yes to certain things, but I also have to say no to a lot of things because like I can't schedule everything in my schedule, and it's just way too much for me. I want to do the YouTube content, but at the same time, I want to do all these interviews, but there's like, sometimes there's too many. It's like, how am I going to get to them and also work full time and also do YouTube? It's like, YouTube's like a part-time job already. So anyways, that's just my 2 cents. Woke up today and we're going to go and get ready because, yeah, 8:25 now. All right. We'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, guys? So we got a mini fridge for the break room at GNC, and here it is. It has a freezer on the top and then the refrigerator parts on the bottom. So super cool. Can't wait to use this. Going into work 15 minutes early, so go set it up. And just wanted to show you guys how it looks like and stuff. So I can't show you guys inside the break room because I can't film in there. What's up, you guys? So I've been trying to do a table event for the GNC place for quite some time now. I'd gotten like multiple different no's, tried multiple different gyms, tried multiple different avenues to try to get a table event for GNC. So, you know, sample stuff and all that. One of them is going to be probably in this mall. And we want to do the table event. I just talked to one of the mall managers, and he might be able to hook it up at a place near the Apple Store for a table event. I'm just hoping, because this is like the 5th time I was trying to do a table event. I really hope that we can do it because it'll get more customers inside the store and stuff. What's up, guys? So this is about take number 15. What's up, guys? So this is take number 25. I've been trying to get this content out here, but a couple of problems. For one, my tripod didn't pop off one of the sockets and it's stuck on my secondary tripod. Number 2, I was recording and the recording plug on the mic was plugged into the wrong hole. Pause. But it wasn't recording, and I recorded about 5 minutes of video and it just did not record. So problem number 2. Problem number 3, gym. The gym that I had signed up for, it was kind of dirty and crowded. Found out that, one, it was more expensive than it was advertised online. What the heck, man? Like, if you advertise it online and you say it's this much, it's supposed to be that much. So we had that problem. So there's another gym that's kind of far away, 10 minutes away, we'll call it that. I haven't been there yet, and I want to go scope out a quote-unquote like home base. So that's in the works, just trying to find a routine, and it will be better once they find a routine. All right, guys, little update. I found a really good gym, and it is nice. The bathrooms are clean. The shower in there is a private room, all to myself. Super cool, super clean, kind of far, got a little bit of far away, maybe like 20 minutes away from where I work, but it is an excellent place for me to call home base. So I signed up for the gym, and because I really liked it, I fell in love with it. The first gym I went to was horrible, but this gym, oh man, it's got everything I need. But the only thing bad is it's got one shower, so I gotta wait if hypothetically there is somebody in there. So I have to make sure that I shower long before I work, because otherwise I won't be able to shower, so that will suck. But it's a private room, so I'm good with that. All right, it's currently Friday, May 24th, 11:13 p.m. and we are burning the midnight oil. We are getting some content up for you guys, and we're doing this on the free gym lounge area. We got couches over there, cool little table, and then this is all included. But yeah, we are doing the YouTube thing. All right guys, gonna actually end the video here. Go ahead and give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new, and comment your thoughts on all of the journey that I've been posting. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Yeah, so thank you guys, appreciate it. Catch y'all in the next video. See ya.